Hi friends, it's Bonnie from Let's Create. In this tutorial, we're going to be painting this little patriotic ice cream cone. You can make it any color that you would like, but for this one, we're going to go with the red, white, and blue theme on our ice cream cone. You can purchase the wood for this project on our website at letscreatewithbonnie.com. Just go to the shop tab and you can grab this little piece of wood there, and it comes in different sizes too. So our first steps of what we're going to do is do a little base coating. You're going to start with the whole top is going to be white. The middle section, you're going to base coat blue, and then the bottom is your cone, and you're going to base coat that a nice light tan color, or a lighter or even a cream or an ivory color would work really nice for that. So we're going to put the red on the top and just use the engraved guidelines that are on your piece of wood. Use those for your guide to get all these little scallops and scoops and things nice and even. So we're going to put a little bit of red on the top of this here so that it looks almost like it's been dipped in some luscious cherry sauce. Now what, I'm going to put that down a little bit more. There we go. And I do base coat the white underneath the red. It just helps make, I've got to turn this around here, sorry. It just makes that red pop a little bit more. Use a nice flat brush to get your strokes nice and even. There we go. And then I'm just going to finish by filling in the top here. Now it might take 2 coats of red. Same with the white. It easily took me 2 coats for all the other colors also, just so that you get a nice, even, consistent coverage on it. Okay, I'll wash my brush out. And we're going to work on the ice cream cone part next on the bottom part. So first we're going to use, again, you're going to base coat it with a light tan color. We're going to use a nice little liner brush, or just use whatever the skinniest and most narrowest brush that you have. And we want to put some marks on our brush or on our ice cream cone, some lines. So it looks like kind of like a waffled cone a little bit. So notice your cone here has a top edge on it. We're going to start below that. And I'm going to use a nice, soft, light hand here. So I'm going to have to try. I'm trying to paint it upside down for y'all. And just put a few lines on there. This one got a little bit thicker on me, but we're going to go with that. There's my first ones. Let me hold that up close so you can see those. And it's just going to kind of look like some hash marks. So we're going to now go in the opposite direction on our cone. You do want these to be fairly skinny little lines. And then I'm also going to put a couple little lines here, and I'll show you up close. For the top part of my ice cream cone, just to kind of give it a little bit more definition from the bottom of the cone. Let me show that to you. So I see I put this line here, and then I've got the lines on the cone also. So you're going to start base coating it with a light tan, and then whatever color you have, you can use a little bit darker tan, but you don't want it to be super dark. And then the last step, again, we're still using our little skinny liner brush. We're going to add some really nice little white lines to these lines. So we're just going to go beside the lines, not on top of them. You don't want to cover up what you just did. So we're going to run these lines right down the side. You see the white on there? We're going to do the same thing with the other lines. And we're going to put a little bit of a white line up here on the top of our cone. I'll show you that here too real quick. There you go. Isn't that cute? All right, let's see. I don't think my top part is quite dry. I'm going to dry this real quick here, because you need to put some sprinkles on it. Okay, we're going to put a few sprinkles on the top of our cone, on our red layer. And again, so they're just going to be, sprinkles are like little oblong shapes. You can do dots if you would like to. And just start with a few of them. You can always go back and add more. So be just a little conservative with them. If you're not sure how many you want to do, and make them go in all different directions. There's our white sprinkles. We're going to add some blue sprinkles also. Doing the exact same thing now to add some blue ones and make them go in different directions from the white ones that you just put on. There you go. There's our sprinkles on the top. How cute, and how easy is that to make, my friends? Thank you so much. If you enjoy the tutorials that I do from Let's Create, please be sure and subscribe to our channel below. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.